how do I pay the transfer tax and cartório fees when buying property in Brazil? Hello there, my name is Luciano Oliveira, I am a Brazilian attorney. So transfer tax and cartório fees, they must be paid prior to closing. They are actually a condition for a closing to happen. A transfer tax is usually in the order of 3 to 4%, and altogether, along with other fees, you're gonna pay something between 4 and 5% of the property amount. This money gotta be sent to Brazil if you are living abroad, and it should be sent to either the realtor or your attorney. You don't send this money to the seller, right? Like, you wanna make sure that these obligations are paid off, so you're not sending this money to the seller. You gotta send to either the realtor or to the attorney, or if you have like a relative or friend in Brazil, that could be also something to consider. Interesting to note that usually the transfer tax is not based on how much you're paying for the property. In Rio de Janeiro, for instance, it is common if you're buying a property for 1 million reais, when you're gonna pay the tax, you're gonna check with the city, and the city is gonna say, well, in my price list, your property is worth 1.2 million. So you're gonna pay the percentage on the highest amount, either the amount that you're paying or the amount that's on the price list from the municipality where the property is located. The transfer tax is called in Portuguese ITBI, which means a tax over the transfer of real estate. And this tax is usually payable through a coupon that's issued by the city where the transaction is occurring. The cartório fees, on the other hand, are usually payable directly to the registry. They are going to give you an account number, or most common, a PIX number, PIX, which is a kind of Zelle feature we have in Brazil, or an ID, which you send the money and the other party is going to get the money automatically at the same time without delay. In terms of what you're going to use to send the money, it depends on the amounts. If it is an amount of up to $10,000 or roughly 50,000 reais, some people, they're going to choose Wise, which was TransferWise in the past, to send the monies. Usually it works well, but for higher amounts, you may be better off using a currency exchange bank. Currency exchange banks, they facilitate the transaction, they have the expertise, and they are much better than using the everyday commercial banks in Brazil. Currency exchange banks, they are also based in Brazil. The distinction is that they specialize in currency exchange transactions. I hope this information was helpful. If it was, please like our video so other people can find this content, and follow us for more tips.